Plotting points on a map, a guide to understanding and application. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into an exciting topic that's useful not just in English, but in a wide array of fields like geography, navigation, and even storytelling. We're talking about plotting points on a map. This phrase might sound technical at first, but don't worry, we're going to break it down together, making it easy and accessible for learners at all levels. Stay tuned as we explore what it means to plot points on a map, why it's important, and how you can do it yourself. First things first, let's understand the phrase, plotting points on a map. In its simplest form, this means marking specific locations on a map. A point refers to a precise location that can be defined by coordinates, such as latitude and longitude in geography, or any other system of measurement that a map uses. Plotting is the act of placing these points on the map. This process is essential for creating a visual representation of where things are located in the world or in a fictional space. You might be wondering, why is it important to plot points on a map? There are countless reasons. In navigation, it helps people find their way from one place to another. In storytelling, it can be used to track the journey of characters across different locations. In education, it aids in teaching geography, history, and environmental science by showing the spatial relationships between different places. And in planning and logistics, it's crucial for understanding routes, resources, and strategic locations. Essentially, plotting points on a map is a fundamental skill that enables us to visualize and interpret the world around us. Now, let's get to the practical part. How to plot points on a map. This process can vary slightly depending on the type of map you're using, but the basic steps are as follows. 1. Identify the coordinates. Determine the latitude and longitude, or any other relevant coordinates, of the locations you want to plot. 2. Find the right map. Choose a map that covers the area you're interested in and has the level of detail you need. 3. Mark the points. Use a marker, pin, or digital tool to place a point at each location's coordinates. Be as precise as possible to ensure accuracy. 4. Label each point. Optional but helpful. Add labels to your points to remember what each one represents. This could be the name of a city, a historical event, or anything else relevant to your map. Remember, with digital mapping tools available online, plotting points has become more accessible and interactive than ever. You can easily add, remove, or modify points and share your maps with others. And there you have it. You now know what it means to plot points on a map, why it's a valuable skill, and how you can start doing it yourself. Whether you're a traveler, a student, or just someone curious about the world, being able to plot points on a map is a fantastic way to enhance your understanding of the world's geography and the stories that unfold within it. We hope this video has been helpful, and we encourage you to give plotting a try in your next project or adventure. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.